Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at Tesla. What is going on with Tesla stock? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and honestly, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Alright, roll the intro, let's go, come on. Alrighty guys, so we are looking at TSLA, also known as Tesla. As you can see, it was up 13.5% today, which was one of the largest moves that we've seen from this stock in a single day in quite some time. And right now we are looking at the 3-year chart. So you can see each segment right in here with the dotted line represents 1 year of previous trading history. So you can see we have lows here at about $35, all the way up highs here at about $1,243. Now, obviously, Tesla is the front runner of the electric auto space. They are really, what every company wants to become, right? They got put in the S&P 500. They've been absolutely killing it on their revenues, on their earnings, and the company's just been doing very, very well. Not to mention, Tesla is a lot more than just electric vehicles. They have Tesla solar, they have Tesla, chargers, they have the Tesla generators. So the company does a variety of things, and they bring in billions upon billions of dollars in revenue. Now, anytime you see a move where a stock, especially like Tesla, a blue chip stock, well-established company, anytime it goes up pretty much over 10%, something major is going on with this stock. So if we actually look at this news article right here, you can see the biggest reason why we had a whole bunch of, buying pressure among the stock was because of this. Elon Musk, or Tesla, he delivered about 308,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter. And a lot of analysts thought that they only could hit about 263,000. So virtually they delivered an extra, just over 40,000 vehicles, which anytime you have something like that, you will have a ton of buying pressure enter a stock, right? This is what we call a fundamental catalyst. So a whole bunch of traders, day traders, like myself, look at these articles and they make trades off them. So as you can see, if we actually go to the chart for today, the 1-day chart, you can see we had this huge move pre-market when they announced it. And then right when the market opened, a whole bunch of continuation where the stock during trading hours went up just at about 5%, which is a fantastic 100% momentum move. So in my opinion, I definitely think Tesla is carrying so much long-term potential. I think that this is probably one of the best growth stocks to buy into for 2022. Me personally, I'm going to be giving, Tesla's price target for mid 2022 at about $1,300 a share by mid 2022. And honestly, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, that's so much. Well, that's only another 7%. And that's going to take easily, 6 months for the stock to hit. I think it's very expected just because of the overall growth rate of Tesla. And if we look at Tesla's earnings, you'll be able to see that here. So when we pull up Tesla's earnings here, you can see the revenue is up 56%, total revenue about $13.7 billion, net income about $1.6 billion, the overall net profit margin 11%, which is extremely high, especially for an automobile stock. Anytime you have pretty much a margin over about 10% is very good. Because what this means is every time Tesla brings in about $100, they profit $11.76. And in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't sound like much, but when you bring in millions upon billions of dollars upon revenue, that adds up very, very fast, especially with the cash on hand at about $16 billion. That is very good. And looking at the past couple of quarters here, the only missed earnings was all the way back in the fourth quarter of 2020. And you can see the past couple of earnings, they've done very, very well. So me personally, Tesla is probably one of the best growth stocks to be buying right now. Not to mention good strategy for Tesla. Dollar cost averaging. What is that, Carter? What is dollar cost averaging? Figure out however much you want to invest. You don't have to have a total principal. Some people do, some people don't. But what you do is you will invest on a weekly or monthly basis. So what that does is it gets a good average price for those shares. Whether the stock continues to go up, that's great because you're going to be making money. But the beauty of it is when it sells off, just like we saw 30% sell off, you're continuing to average down your price. So once the stock recovers, just like it did, you're going to be making a lot more money. It's a fantastic way to invest. I highly recommend it, especially for these growth stocks like Tesla. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and especially right now, stay safe. We'll see you later. Take care.